Welcome to Budgetology 101. I'm your host, Edwin.
Hi, I'm John. Welcome. I'm very excited about the new things we are going to learn today.
Welcome back. Before we continue, I'd like to invite you to join us today by clicking the follow option below this video to be one of the first to be notified when a new video is uploaded. If you feel like this video may help someone you know, please share with others and don't forget to click like as well. Thank you.
When you open an Excel app, select the More Templates option and go to the Business Category section at the top and select Monthly Company Budget. But if you've ever selected it before, it'll be in the New or Recent list as shown right here on the left. Click on that to open it. Just like in the previous video, click the Create button to open up to an already created template. This sample template is best for people that have a job but also have a business on the side. They have multiple sources of income that can be tracked together. At the top is a total sum of all the incomes from the different sources. Below that is the total sum of all the expenses from the different sources. And the last line shows you the balance. There's a graph to represent the total income and expenses as well, so you can easily see if you are overspending or not. Note that the template has a lot more tabs at the bottom. Besides the nice summary page, there is a tab for income, a tab for personal expense, and another tab for business expense. The summary page totals up all the incomes from the Income tab and displays it on that first summary tab as shown. The summary page also totals up all the expenses from the Personal Expense tab and Operating Expense tab and then displays it on the first summary tab. The balance at the bottom shows the difference between the total income and the total expense. The difference on column E on the right shows the difference between estimated and actual. There's even an additional feature at the bottom of the summary page that shows you at first glance the top 5 highest business expenses you have. But remember, these can be changed to capture something else that you feel is more important.
Well, that's all we have for now, folks. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. See you in the next video.